Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and makeup. So if you want to see like lots of videos on makeup, hauls or get tips on skincare, hair care, body care, so you can subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. And in today's video, I will be doing this makeup look. I love how this turned out, so check out how I created it. Plus like it's a festival appropriate makeup look. I feel in any festival you can carry this makeup look, and the colors I use that go with almost every outfit, even if you are wearing something heavy or something light for Diwali, for Karwa Chauth, for Navratri, even if you are a newly married and some like if you want to do little makeup, this look will also go perfectly with it. You can switch up the lip shades, like you can go with red, nude, bright orange, pink, as I'm wearing, anything you like. So anyways, we'll start and let's jump right into the video. Guys, I will begin my makeup and I have already prepped my skin. I have shaved and I have done like my skincare routine. If you want to check like how I shave my face and like go in depth, then you can check out the video. I will add the link in the I button. And then I will start off with the primer. That is the like I feel recently only I started using primers and now I came to know the importance of primers. Primer I am using Lakme Absolute. I recently started using it and I am liking it. Like it has a little bit of tint on it, and I will only use this much. And you use primers where you think not where you know you have pores. So I have pores around my cheek area, like here. So what it does, it like smooths the skin over there so that the makeup can sit beautifully on your face. It has smoothened my skin around here, like it has become so smooth. I like it. So as we all know that festivals are coming, and I thought that I will make a like glam festive makeup look, and I don't want to go heavy on my face, so I am using the foundation Faces Canada's, because I love the consistency of this foundation. It's a bit pricey, but like if you have one bottle, then you are sorted for I don't know how long. And I purchased it long while back. I think it was around, my shade is beige, and let me show you the consistency. Like see how liquidy it is. So it's like over here it's written that it's a second skin foundation, and it is like second skin foundation because like it's so smooth and it sits on your skin like you are not wearing anything. So I will start and I will use tiny bit. Or to apply lip balm, I will quickly apply little bit, because like moisturizing your lips is very important, guys. The thick like consistency, the lip balm, and like I absolutely love it. Whatever you have, don't forget to take the like foundation on your below your not below on your neck. As I was saying that festivals are going on, for my concealer I am using LA Girl, like one and only. So yes, I thought I will create another like traditional look. I already created one in a sari that I have never done, like that was for the first time, and it took me such a long time to wrap a sari, guys. Like I like wore a sari like after I think a year, and like I love wearing saris, but like I'm in Bangalore and like we are not going anywhere right now. No like shadis, no parties and all. So no, you get like we don't get to wear like fancy clothes and everything. So and guys, try to take the concealer onto your eyes as well, because we will be doing our like eyeshadow, so you want your eyes to be concealed as well. So what I am doing, I am taking this like Maybelline concealer. It is a instant age rewind, so I am using it for the first time, and I'm using very tiny bit over here, like to brighten up my this area. Okay, let's see like how I will like this one. But I heard so many good things about this one that I couldn't resist myself from getting it. I heard it's like magic. Guys, did you see what it did to my face? Like it highlighted this part, like bringing it out little bit. So I am liking it, but I need to use it more to let you know like what I think about it. But like today I am like with this look I am liking it, and I am able to see what it does to the face, highlighting your like T-zone. This thing like it works. Now I have concealed my eyes and everything, so I will quickly like set my face using Maybelline's Fit Me. Will take this much only, and I will quickly use the beauty blender to like remove any fine lines if I have. Like I heard this age rewind concealer works beautifully if you have like some lines over here. So let's see. And set your base everywhere because it is very important, and this powder is very nice. I'll quickly do my eyebrows and will be back. So I am back and I have done my eyebrows. I feel that the hardest thing for me to do is like to do an eyebrow, and it takes lots of time for me, although I don't do anything. And I feel like in two brows there is one, one eyebrow that always turns out ugly and bad. Not ugly, bad. It's like a stubborn sister who doesn't want to, be perfect. Like this is good, but I am not liking this one. Let's see how I will use this one and like go with this one, but I'm liking this one. I think like my skills have improved little bit. So what do you guys think? And for my eyes I am using Huda Beauty. Since I got it, like I can't keep it down. Like I have already posted so many, like I guess videos, and I got it for my birthday for myself. And if you guys have not checked out the videos, then I will add the links and everything, so don't forget to check out the description box, because like all the products which I use will be there in the description box along with the shade and everything. So yeah, this is the shade, these are the shades. So right now I will be using this one. Oh yes guys, I am recreating the like the look which I am doing. I am creating Malvika Setlani's makeup look. So I hope I'm able to do the justice, because like she is amazing. She does amazing like makeup. So I hope I'm like able to like touch her like in like my makeup look little bit. I seriously hope so, because yeah, I like she is my inspiration, as I said in so many videos. Take this fluffy brush and like apply it on my crease. Always dust off excess, otherwise it will fall off on your face. And like will start, always like hold your like eye brushes from here, so that like your grip is loose and you can swirl and like blend the eyeshadows together. Side by side her video is getting played on the monitor, and I'm like pausing it and I'm like doing it. So yeah, so next shadow she picked and I will pick is this color. This looks so gorgeous, so I will take this and apply it on my eyelid. So now I'm taking the like shade I took on my and put on my upper eyelid, and I will put it under eye. Take this matte black color and like draw a fine liner, smoke smudge kind of liner, because I wanted to add a little bit my own twist to this look. She did this with a brown liner. So I like not brown liner, sorry, brown eyeshadow. Feeling like I'm ruining the look, but anyways I will do it. I will apply a very thin line of eyeliner. Like in that look she is not doing eyeliner, she doesn't do eyeliner because she doesn't like it, but I'm a big eyeliner like lover. I cannot skip it, so I will do a very fine line. Hence you guys understood the black eyeliner kind of thing. See, after eyeliner it's looking beautiful. Like I feel eyeliner can, like if you have gone up and down with your look and you apply eyeliner, it brings everything together. I feel that. I just love eyeliners. I will apply little bit of kajal, Swiss Beauty kajal. I will apply very tiny bit. Apply the kajal till half because I feel this like makes my eyes like pop more. So yes, I will do my mascara now. This was such a easy look, guys. Like only 2 eyeshadows. Like this is one of the easiest eye looks that I have ever created. Guys, your girl is wearing eyelashes. Like I am wearing it on screen for the first time, and man, this is difficult. And this looks so pretty. Now I am thinking like why I don't wear eyelashes, and I am doing Malvika Setlani's makeup look, and like I need to use eyelashes because she loves eyelashes. So I thought I will add it and try it, and like it makes a lot of difference. And I will again apply mascara after adding the eyelashes. Guys, these are beautiful eyelashes. Like being a beginner, I was able to apply it with ease. Like it took me some time, but it was still very comfortable. I used only my fingers, no tweezers or nothing, no instrument I had. So if you are a beginner and if you want to try some eyelashes, then I will definitely suggest you this one. It's very cost effective, it's not expensive. I think it's Miss Clears. I will check and let you know. And the glue I used is the black adhesive Miss Clears one. Like I love the products, so yes, I love it. For my blush and bronzer, I am using this Remmel's kit. The shade is 002 Coral Glow. I love this, guys. I'm taking the bronzer on my angled brush. So I will take it, dust off the excess, and take the blush. So I think this look is so perfect for your Indian festivals as well, like for Karwa Chauth, for Diwali, Bhai Dooj, anything. Like it's very light. It's like only 2 eyeshadows I used. Only 2 eyeshadows. This is crazy to me, and how beautiful this look turned out. Like I'm absolutely loving it. Wow. I am using the highlighter of Maybelline. Molten Gold is the shade. I absolutely love this highlighter, and like we all know who follows her, like she loves her highlighter. I also love my highlighters. See the glue. I'm adding little bit more of a blush, and I'm using Sugar's one because like I feel in her look she is carrying more of blush because she loves blushes, and if I am creating a look of hers, I wanted to do it properly as much as I can. So yes, for the lip shade I am using Seven Heavens. What is the lip shade? It's orange red. So I will wear it. It's little bit too bright, so I will take this shade, brown shade, and I will be back after like combing my hair and putting little bit of jewelry. So guys, this is the look I created. I combed my hair, I combed and I put on some earrings, and I'm back. So I absolutely loved how this makeup look turned out. I so love it. You let me know, did I did just it? Like I will add the link for her video as well in the description if you want to check it out, and let me know what do you think about it. And I love my falsies. Like it's not giving me headache. That is the best thing about it, because like what happens if I like add some falsies, like it starts giving me headache. Anyways, like I absolutely love how this makeup look is turned out. I cannot यू नो यू विल थिंक अपने आप को ही अपनी तारीफ करती जा रही है, बट येस लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू नो योर ओपिनियन ऑल्सो गाइज. सो I love you all a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye. Take care.